Hey Parama, thank you for the question. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at this word problem. At the bus exchange, a number of people boarded the bus. We don't know how many people are here, so we're going to leave that and figure that out in a moment. At the first stop, we know that 1/4 of these people got off and 3 people boarded the bus. So that's what happens after the first stop. At the second stop, 1/3 of the passengers get off and 13 people boarded the bus. Now, in the very end, we know there are 13 passengers left on the bus. So we want to know how many people boarded the bus at the interchange. All right, so let's start off with a bar model. And we know in this bar model that there is a rectangle that represents all of the people. And at the first stop, 1/4, so we're going to divide this into 4, 1/4 of these people get off. All right, now after this quarter of this whole bar leaves, we're going to have 3 more people who board the bus. So that's what happens at the end of the first stop. This is the new amount of people. All right, let's see what happens after the second stop. So at the second stop, we're going to redraw the rectangle, and this time it's 1/3 of the passengers who get off. So we divide it into 3. Notice that these are all lined up. Just tweak that a little bit to show that it's all lined up. And we've divided into 3 boxes. Now 13 people board the bus. So these are the people that leave, and 13 people get on. At the end of the story, we know that there are 33 passengers left on the bus. So it tells us this entire bar is equal to 33. So let's go ahead and start filling in what we know. If this entire bar is 33, if we take off 13, then we'll have 20 left. And if we have 20 left and these are identical, then each one of these is 10. All right, so now that we know this is 10, we can find out that before the second stop, there was actually 30, because 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. But we know that 3 people got on the bus. So let's take those 3 off, and we know that this is equal to 27. Well, if it's 3 boxes here that equal to 27, that means each one of those is equal to 9. And going back to the very beginning, if we fill in all those boxes, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. So in the very beginning, there were 36 people who boarded the bus. If 1/4 left, then 9 people got off the bus. So 36 minus 9 plus 3 people who boarded the bus is 30 people. Next, 1/3 of these people got off. So 1/3 of 30 is 10. And 13 people boarded the bus. So this will be 30 minus 10 plus 13. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 plus 13 is 33. So there we have it. 33 people left on the bus.